Good afternoon, welcome to the first lesson about JavaScript. In this training we will go through different aspects of the language. About this scripting language that is very common, very useful and very simple to learn. It's one of the most important technologies that we have in current web programming. It's one of the most traditional, actually it's a pretty old technology that it keeps it up to date. And in this lesson we will review some of the basic concepts. It's just an introduction, very easy. I hope you will like it. Please subscribe the channel and give me a like if you want. That will help me with the algorithm of the channel. JavaScript is a simple language. It's a script language. That means that the system will read and do each instruction step by step as it is reading it. So it's not something that you can compress, put in a different way. It's very useful in web programming. It's standard about ECMAs, so it's an international language, and essentially it's something that can work both on the server side and both on your browser. Mainly most of the technologies are working on your client side, so this means on your browser or your mobile or your device. As a language script, I was saying, it's executing each instruction one by one and one step at a time. Each instruction is called a statement, so this is the first word that we have to keep apart when we talk about programming languages. Is a statement, and it is based on a different language that is more famous, more complicated, that is Java. And most of the things that you can do in JavaScript you can port exactly to Java or vice versa. What is the real powerful of this language is that helps you to integrate with the language of the web pages, that is XML or HTML. When you think to these programming languages, essentially because it's derived from more complex programming language that is Java, it's a language that you can is based on the concept of object. We will review in the next lesson what is an object, what is an instance of an object, what are the methods of the object, how the objects are related the one with the other, so how the one is taking some properties from the object that you derived from. And this is very important because easily you can look online for a lot of objects, and then you can work with these objects and create what the object that the model of the things that you want in easy way, simple way, and with very little skill in IT and a lot of logic. That's enough to have a lot of logic to use to understand what you want to do and to put in place. One of the powerful things about working with objects and about working with the so popular platform is just that you can have access to a lot of framework or web libraries that you can leverage, and this will help you with a lot of functionality that some other has already developed, has been tested, has been proven online by being used by adopted by many developers, and then you will be able to get the best of what is developed all around. This will conclude the first lesson. I hope you have fun with this lesson. I will try to keep the lesson very short so people can easily go through, and I will try to make it as user-friendly as possible. If you liked it, please put a like on YouTube, subscribe the channel, and I wish you a nice evening, and see you tomorrow or on Sunday for next lesson.